The VIVOHOME Vacuum Pump Kit is constructed from durable die-cast aluminum and features an anti-slip rubber base, making it both lightweight and robust for handling air conditioning tasks. Its ergonomic handle and built-in cooling fan provide comfort and extended usability, while the oil sight glass and bottom oil drain valve ensure easy maintenance. The included manifold gauge set is designed for precise pressure measurement with large, easy-to-read gauges and a portable case for convenience. Color-coded hoses enhance usability by clearly identifying pressure sides and ensuring a leak-proof seal, which is especially useful for maintaining various air conditioning systems. The comprehensive package includes a single-stage vacuum pump and gauge set, suitable for a range of applications such as automotive air conditioning and HVAC work. Overall, the VIVOHOME Vacuum Pump Kit stands out for its thoughtful design and practical features, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.